Good evening, posters. Many of you had asked for appetizers to be made from scratch in 10 minutes. We'll do a couple of them today. Let me start the stopwatch. Simplest of them would be roasted or fried potatoes. Use cleaned baby potatoes, so you don't need to peel them or chop them or whatever. Ensure that you put them as one layer so that everything gets nicely fried. Do not use too big potatoes. Ensure that all of them are almost of the same size. Just about cover them with oil. You'll get most of this oil back, so don't worry about that. Roughly 1 cup of oil. Close. Cook on high for around 10 minutes. Okay. And by the time this is getting cooked, we'll do the cheese and chili nachos. We've got 3 types of chilies here, capsicums. Just move this aside and start the layering. Get a generous dollop of butter. Take the chilies into reasonably big chunks. This actually becomes a full meal. You have the starch coming from the nachos, the protein coming from cheese, and the micronutrients from all these colorful vegetables which go in. The prepare to eat is pretty simple. Cut this into big chunks, fish bake them, and arrange them over nachos with some salsa, some chopped onions, tomatoes, a bit of sour cream or yogurt, and you're done. There you go. Just toss the whole thing in. Couple of chilies for the bite, or you can use chili flakes or pepper. It's up to you. Since there's going to be cheese and chili nachos, I'm going to go a bit overboard on the chilies. A bit of salt and a couple of cheese cubes. You use whatever cheese you like. Just ensure that the cheese melts. So I'm using the regular cheddar cheese. Start to finish, this shouldn't take more than 10 minutes maximum from scratch. So when your kids come home from school hungry, okay. I'm sorry, I used the wrong term. When your kids come from Zoom class hungry, you can probably whip this up in a jiffy for them. I'll set this on the de-veg mode with vent open. By the time I clean this up and get the salsa ready, this would have been done. I'm going to chop up, let me move this aside. Just chop up some onions, some tomatoes, some cilantro, and get the salsa ready for the nachos. The potatoes, ignore the whistles, go for around 10 to 12 minutes or wait for the white smoke. Some lemon juice. And a fine soft That is our salsa, all good and ready. Mix in a bit of cilantro. And there you go. That's good to go. Bit of salt. Mix it all up. And you have your salsa ready. So take up some nachos. These are readily available. We start plating them. Spread them on a plate like so. Add the layer of salsa over it. And when the vegetables are ready, just add them over it and serve it as a cheese and chili nachos. Get this out of the way. Clean the space a bit and get ready for the fried potatoes. This is good to go as it is. Looks delicious. Mm. Add a bit of sour cream or yogurt. This is the Mexican version of the dahi papi. 10 minutes are up. Your dish is also ready. I'll set the timer to 10 minutes. I'll wait for it to stop on its own. That's done. Release the pressure. This is done too. And it displays off. The cooking is done. It's taken us a minute more than what I planned. Just filter out the excess oil. You'll see that the oil is clear and we have got all the oil. And we have added. There are your fried potatoes. Toss this with whatever you like, with cheese, with chaat masala, with salt and chili powder, with a dip, with mayonnaise, with ketchup, anything you like. That is your fried potatoes, and this is your cheese and chili nachos. Just push down the safety wall of it. Get this out. Nicely melted. The vegetables have retained that color. There is a slight bit of charring at the bottom. No big deal. Just add them over the nachos like so. And you have a couple of nice appetizers done in exactly 13 minutes. That's 3 minutes more than what I bargained for. But look at this. That's a beautiful platter. Pretty colorful, pretty healthy. And this is a party favorite. Stick in toothpicks, serve with a dip, serve with mayonnaise, serve with ketchup, sprinkle chaat masala, chili powder, whatever you like. You have a couple of appetizers done and dusted in 10 odd minutes. Try this out and please post your valuations. Thank you very much.